Hi to everyone. Welcome to my channel Rajendra Chavan. Myself Dr. Rajendra Chavan, MG College Armory. Now we are going to discuss on Introduction to Genetics. Introduction to genetics. Let us start the introduction to the genetics, or is nothing but the introduction to the Mendel. The Mendel is a father of genetics, is known as a father of modern genetics. Then genetics means what? Genetics is nothing but the study of heredity and variation of inherited characters. Heredity means a tendency of offspring to resemble their parents. Variation means what? Tendency of offspring to vary from their parents. Look at the pictures. Here the heredity pictures, and here is also a variation pictures. Hereditary pictures which look like the offsprings which resembles to their parents. For example, here the pictures is, this is the offsprings of these parents, and this phenotypic characters which appears or observed into the offsprings, and such characteristics which is found due to the heredity, that is the factors of heredity, that is known as a genes, which is transmitted from one generation to the next generation, which is transmitted from their parents to their offsprings, but in different offsprings which are also from the same parents, that is also known as a variations. Variation means what? Tendency of the offspring to vary from their parents, that is known as variation. Then genetics means what? It is a biological science, it is a young branch of biology, the study of genes, that is known as genetics. And the modern genetics, the work of Mendel, he worked on Pisum sativum, pea plants, in a garden, and put forth the postulates or principles, or give the laws of inheritance. Hence, the Georg Gregor Mendel is called it as a father of modern genetics. There are 5 branches of genetics, modern branches of genetics. First one is cytogenetics, second one is molecular genetics, third one is phylogenetics, fourth one is developmental genetics, and fifth one is behavioral genetics. These are the 5 branches of modern genetics. So we are going to learn more details about the introduction of the genetics as well as introduction of the Mendels. Okay, who was Mendel? Mendel is known as a father of modern genetics. He born in 1822 and they died in 1884. He was an Austrian monk in Brunn. The modern concept of genetics took birth from his pioneer. He worked where on Pisum sativum, that is a garden pea plants. The period of study is 1856 to 1864. He published his research papers in the annual proceeding of Natural History Society of Brunn in 1866. The title of his publication is Experiments in Plant Hybridization. Mendel died as an unrecognized man. His studies remain in dark for 34 years. After 34 years in 19th century, 3 scientists independently rediscovered the Mendel work. That 3 scientists are Karl Koren from Germany, Hugo de Vries from Holland, and Erich van Chermak from Austria. Mendel's findings were known as a Mendelism or Mendelian's law of inheritance. Then during this time, Mendel observed 7 contrasting characters in pea plants, Pisum sativum plant, and each of these characteristics has 2 forms. The characteristics which includes height, flower color, seed shape, pod color, pod shape, flower position. There are the 7 contrasting characters he observed during his experiment on pea plants Pisum sativum. The dominant traits are in flower color, purple, plant height tall, seed color yellow, seed shape round, pod color green, pod shape inflated, flower position axial. Likewise, the recessive traits are purple is a dominant and recessive is white. Height में जाओ तो tall is a dominant traits and short or dark is a recessive traits. Seed color yellow color is a dominant traits and green color of the seed is a recessive traits. Shape of the seed is round, that is the dominant traits. Shape of the seed is wrinkled, that is the recessive traits. The green color pod is a dominant traits, yellow color pod is a recessive traits. The shape of pod is implemented is a dominant trait. The shape of pod is constricted is a recessive traits. Then position, flower position is axial, it is a dominant traits, and flower position is terminal, it is a recessive traits. There are 7 contrasting characters which observed during the Mendel in his experiment in a garden pea plants, that is a Pisum sativum. The experiment which is carried out by the George Gregor Mendel, the hybridization experiment were conducted by the Mendel on around 29,000 pea plants. He chose pea plants because they had easily observable traits. He formulated the principles of inheritance by carried out the experiment with the garden pea, that is a Pisum sativum. Why Mendel chose garden pea plants? Because they were easily grow in garden. The flower of the pea plants are hermaphrodite, that is flowers are bisexual characteristics. The pea plants mature quickly. The pea plants produce many offsprings with a new generation quickly. The pea plants has produced or provide 7 of contrasting characters. It was also able to strictly control the breeding patterns of the peas. Pea plants provides a large number of progeny in a short period of time. That means the many varieties which produce by the pea plants, they have an excellent disease resistance and have an optimum rate of survival and easy to fertilize. It can fertilize by the self pollination by wind, normally occurs in the plants within the same plants, or it can also fertilize by the cross pollination, which involves the 2 parents. And the Mendel gave the 3 laws: law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment. The law of independent assortment states that the inheritance of one character is always independent of the inheritance of the other within the same individuals. This is the law of independent assortment. Hence, he chose the garden pea plants for his experiment and give rise the modern concepts of the genetics. Hence, he is called it as a father of genetics. Then, what is the reason behind the Mendel's success? The reason for the Mendel's success is he chose the garden pea plant for his experiment. First reason behind the success, which has an annual naturally self-pollinating plants with several pairs of contrasting characters. Mendel concentrated only one characters at a time. He used an experimental approach, scientific methods. He applied mathematics to the study of natural phenomena, the ratios and probability. He kept good records and observation, large test sample and size. Characters selected by the Mendel were present on different chromosomes. Thus, he succeed in his experiment. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Rajendra Chavan. Thank you very much.